Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Also, pretty sure the microphone is not working, but I'm just 6 feet away from the iPad, so I expect the sound will come through somehow anyway. Anyway, I think that we all practice our Tàijíquán for our own reasons, our own particular, perhaps custom set of reasons. And that may uh, vary over time. It may evolve. You may include new reasons. Some of the original reasons may drop off. And I think that's completely natural. But we practice with teachers. We practice with our classmates. We practice with our students. We practice with people on the internet who we've never met. We practice, if you will, with the people appearing in the books that we read about the art, the history of the stories. And so what I'd invite you to do is develop an understanding of the reasons that somebody else practices or practiced. It might be imperfect because they're passed away and you're reading about them in a book, or you only got so far in your questioning and you somewhat understood what you think they meant and they had difficulty expressing it. But the point is to sincerely try, give it a fair shake, to come to an understanding of why somebody else practices. And this might be your Kung Fu sister who you've practiced with for 17 years, but you never really thought about exactly why they're here, why they do this. And they might not share every element of why, and that's okay. But the idea here is to develop a sense of why somebody else practices and then incorporate that into your own reasons for practicing, at least temporarily. Perhaps you integrate it and it becomes another of the reasons that you practice. Perhaps it displaces your whole reason for practicing, and perhaps it's something that you just try on for a while. But the idea is to develop some empathy and practice through the lens of somebody else's reasons for practicing. So thank you very much. Love, and keep practicing. Pointing your smartphone's camera at these QR codes will lead you to places where you can help. Thank you.